Hello and welcome to this 10-minute yoga routine. Today, we'll be focusing on our ankles, lower back and legs to loosen up our tight and tense muscles or to improve your flexibility. You can revisit the video to make it part of your daily practice. When you're ready, sit up with spine straight. Being grateful and set a positive intention for the day. Breathing in deeply and breathing out completely. Inhale both arms up and exhale arms down. Again, inhale arms up and exhale arms down. Inhale arms up. As you exhale, bring your right hand on your left knee. Seated upright, left hand at the back of the mat. Breathing in and breathing out. Come back center. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, twist to the opposite side. Left hand on your right knee. Breathing in, straighten your spine. And you exhale, give another deeper twist. Come back center. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, arms down. Now let's adjust both legs. Left foot placed next to your right thigh. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, move your body towards your left side of the mat. Stretch your arms and forehead down. Breathing in deeply and breathe out completely. Inhale, come back up. As you exhale, move your torso onto your left thigh. Forehead down on the mat if you can. Gently bring yourself up with inhale. As you exhale, bring your body, lean forward in front of your mat and hands down, forehead down onto the mat. Breathing in deeply and breathing out completely. Slowly move yourself up. Inhale and exhale. Now adjust both legs and bend to the opposite side. Right foot next to your left thigh. Move over to your right side of the mat. Stretch both arms straight, breathing in and breathing out. Inhale up. Now bring your torso to the right thigh. As you exhale, bend your forehead down to the mat. Inhale up. As you exhale, bend forward in front of the mat. Continue your deep breathing. Slowly push yourself up. Let's lie ourselves on the mat, shoulder aligned with elbows, palm facing down, legs straight. Inhale, look up to the ceiling without dropping your head down. As you exhale, look forward, chin to chest. Inhale, look up. And exhale, chin to chest. Inhale up. Exhale, chin to chest. Another round. Inhale, look up. In your next exhale, release elbows and lie on the mat. Shoulders and head grounded on the mat. Your spine, heels are all grounded, palms up. Take another 2 more breaths here. Gently bend both knees. Your next breath, bring both legs up, toes pointing up to the ceiling, arms overhead. Flex your feet up and down to improve the blood circulation. Release tension around the ankles. We're going to work on your abs. Inhale, fingers touching toes. Exhale, down. Inhale, up and down. Inhale, up again. And exhale, down. Inhale, up and down. Up and exhale, down. One final round. Up and exhale, down. From here, you're going to bring both feet on the mat. Hug your knees to the chest. Rock your body to the left and right. Gently massage your back. Massage your hips. Release both arms, shoulder height. Bring both knees to your right side of the mat. Look at your left fingers. Option, you can straighten your top leg. Breathing in and out. Come back to the center. Bring your knees to the left side of the mat and choose your option. Slowly come back to the center. Hug your knees again to your chest. Move your body to the side and push yourself up. Come into a seated position. Rest your hands on your thighs with palms face up for receiving or palms face down for grounding. To start our day off in a calm and intentional way. Slowing down your breath and release all the negative thoughts that no longer serve you. This type of breathing promotes a sense of calm, reduces anxiety, and supports overall well-being. Gently close your eyes, breathing in 5 and out 7. In 2, 3, 4, 5 and out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 2, 3, 4, 5 out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 2, 3, 4, 5 out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue the breath work. Breathing in 5 and out 7. Feeling calm and peace. In your next breath, slowly bring your awareness back to the mat. and gently open your eyes. We'll end this practice with 3 deep breaths. Breathing in, arms up, and exhale, palm heart center. 2 more rounds. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms down. Again, inhale, palms up. And exhale, palm, heart, center. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.